Grabe, grabe talaga, grabe. Ang galing. Grabe, grabe talaga, grabe. Ang galing.
What's up guys? The ultimate 10-ball championship. But before that, please subscribe to my channel for more uploads. At huwag na natin patagalin mga kaibigan. Let's go! At ito nga mga kaibigan ang pag-uumpisa ng bakbakang Reyes at ang Canadian na si Alex Pagulayan, sapagkat Canada ang kanyang bit-bit sa pagkakataong ito. Efren Reyes, the Philippines.
Oh, I think he's got.
Panoorin natin mga kaibigan.
Yes, you're
No,
right.
you were right.
Nope.
You
He
were
hits a
right.
three.
He could bank the 2 towards the 6 and go 1 rail behind 10, 4, and 5. That's what he did. And he did it very nicely.
Sa halip na tirahin ni Efren Reyes ang dos bolas ay
As long as you're not
nagbigay
shooting
siya
at the
ng
ball.
Well, it could go in off the six.
Safety shot.
It's the rail
Oh, I
first.
don't think so.
What
There's no
is the
room.
rail first?
There's no room.
Well, you didn't
How
try
about
that.
this 4 rail safe?
That's nice.
He didn't play it, but he was happy to hit the 2 on the nose.
Sure.
ito mga kaibigan ay parang highlight lamang mga kaibigan.
That's the 6.
Ito ay video na pinabilis na lamang
He made the 6.
para hindi na kumain ng mas mahabang oras sa panonood. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali,
I think
ito ay 3 hanggang 4 na sarbo lamang
pocket safety.
na ating pinili.
Yeah, nice speed.
He made it.
I don't think he called it though.
Yes, he did.
He did.
Yeah.
He did. What a shot that was, then.
It could tie him up because it's close to not hitting it at all.
But that's why we know he wasn't playing. He called it because he had.
Napakaganda ng tirada ni Pagulayan
He couldn't possibly play it.
This
using
is better than the safety.
Well, sure.
rail.
Sure.
Isn't it brilliant what I
Well, Alex is making something happen from nothing here.
Oh yeah, I call that. But he
Napakalalambot
called it, cut it in.
na tirada
That feels good.
ang
Yeah.
ipinakikita
Yes, he did.
nitong si Pagulayan. Mukhang makukuha niya na ang sarbong ito para magkaroon ng parehong panalo.
Lots of spin, but not much speed. So that's a good stroke to hit the edge of the ball that well.
This match is living up to my expectations.
Yeah, mine too.
Perfect angle.
Mga kaibigan, alam nyo kasi kapag ganitong mga bakbakan, talagang hindi mo masisino kung sino ang
You know, I
magwawagi.
go back a long way, and I'm seeing pool that I never
Last
saw
ball para
a long
kay
time ago
Alex.
with the rest of the days.
Sinigurado.
Okay, with that 10 ball in, the score is now.
Di ko alam pa saan. Alright.
Hindi ka na natin sport gym na. Ano? Champ, respeto sa iyan, sport gym yan. Mamili ka lang, sa mong buong sa ulong yan.
Kaya hindi yung ulo dyan, tama yung side bet.
Grabe, talaga grabe. Ang galing.
Gillian, none for Reyes. And the score's tied.
At pagkatapos nga ng isang matinding
We know
where siya ni Efren Bata Reyes, tuloy tayo dito sa rack number 15.
Last rack was the run out of the match.
Kita nyo naman ang score
Made something happen from nothing.
at nag-break na itong si Pagulayan.
Nope.
Walang pumasok mga kaibigan. Pagkakataon na naman
There was the
ni Efren Reyes
Alex Gallagher
ang makaporma
super
sa
pressure.
ibabaw ng lamesa.
But
Iyon nga lang,
Alex was liable to wind up behind the 8.
ang Onobolas ay
behind the 8 ball.
hindi humarap sa butas.
Kinda use it derogatory.
Bagkus ay
I think
mukhang
that's
gagamit
what
ng
he's
banda
behind the 8.
itong si Reyes. Oops!
Nope, he hit it a little hard.
Gumamit
He
nga
had
ng
the
banda,
8 for a
subalit
little while. And he didn't get Alex. And he
nagbigay
knows that
ng
anytime
placing.
the players see the ball,
Datapwat kita
'cause Alex
ang
can come
puwet
back now.
ng Onobolas mga kaibigan.
Do that shot.
He's going to shoot my shot.
And then not arguing when he shouldn't.
Napalakas ang tirada ni Reyes.
Oh, he didn't hit it.
Tingin ko ay bad
That's how
shot
dangerous
or
it
foul
was.
shot.
You had to
Itong
hit it thin
si
to get by all the balls.
Pagulayan
And he
sa
didn't do it.
tiradang yun at
Looks over to Vera
Ayan na nga.
before he grabs the cue ball.
dinampot na ni Reyes
You don't just run up there and snatch the cue ball as you assume.
Ang,
because an argument can ensue. But you just grab it.
bola imano para iharap
Well, you know, Alex,
sa target
earlier
ball
today called a
mga
foul on the
kaibigan.
shot. The referee looked at
Patuloy
the shot,
nating panoorin
It's a
sapagkat napakaganda
and Alex says, no,
ng
it's not.
labanang ito.
Yeah, good for him.
Yeah, he did that.
Well,
Alex Pagulayan, siyempre kilala nyo,
him too.
Pilipino. Alright?
Pure class.
At sa mga ngayon lang nakapanood ng mga laro ni Efren Bata
He knows
Reyes,
the karma.
huwag niyong kalimutang mag-like, mag-subscribe para ma-notify sa mga susunod na upload ni Mr. F TV na mga laro ni Efren Bata Reyes.
Oh, look at this here.
Alalahanin po natin na
Just had the manufacturer
hindi po si Mr. F ang bida dito,
effortlessly. Yeah.
Three
Walang
rings
dilit
without hitting
iba.
anything.
kundi ang ating Magic Man, the Magician Efren
Yeah, really.
Bata
That's a life.
Reyes.
Got away from him a little bit here.
Oh, he
Balik
did.
tayo sa lamesa,
He doesn't have a gimme
balik
anymore.
tayo kay Magic Man.
I like to say, bank the ball at the 8 and go behind the 9 and 10.
Yeah, safe against lesser players is okay. Alex hit so many of these. They're not like
Napakahirap na tirada nun mga kaibigan.
Giddy on up. Giddy on up.
Iba talaga.
Oh, he got good on
Ang
this. He can go
Efren
one way
Reyes.
right to the 6.
Pero siyempre, paminsan-minsan ay hindi pumapabor
It takes a moment.
ang
I think he
bola
doesn't
sa kanya.
stop playing anything. He's just relaxing.
Mahihirap ang papwesto ng kanyang
Away here.
cue ball.
He's just kind of clawed his way back into the
Ayaw makisama
shot in.
ang bola imano mga kaibigan. Pumapasok pa rin. Tingnan natin ang kanyang pabenta kung saktong-sakto pa rin
Back out.
o medyo laging alanganin.
Apparently he didn't feel like he could for him real easily with the right speed to just come up one rail. So tried to kind of drag it
Sa
out.
isbolas ang tirada pero sobrang alanganin.
Don't forget, he had the
Mukhang
match in hand, and all of
hindi
a sudden
titirahin ni
he
Efren
had
Bata
three
Reyes.
in a row. This
Baka
could-
ito'y magbigay ng
well,
placing mga
definitely
kaibigan.
not. He could be a little bit
Hindi
into
natin malaman malibang bitawan.
Found himself on the short side of the proper position here a couple times.
Oh, he missed that.
Ayun na nga ang nangyari mga kaibigan. Pag inaabot ka ng
Like
alat,
I said, what Alex just did to him,
mimiha-miha ka na lamang.
he's human. amazing what has just happened. He got
Alex
a line on
Pagulayan
We're gonna award different
over the table.
different level.
Mukhang makakalamang
Oh,
itong si
definitely.
Pagulayan
This is
sa pagkakataong ito.
How many DVDs would we sell?
yeah. It's catastrophic.
Malaki rin ang papremyo sa torneyong to, mga kaibigan.
To go to each ball,
Yeah.
very important.
Right now in today's day and age, if you had to have one guy play a match for your life, wouldn't you want Alex shooting for yours?
Yeah, I feel that way.
I
and
do too.
And I've been telling everybody that he's the
Last
best
ball.
player in the world.
Yeah, I have to agree. Okay, so now Peggy Lyon. Drew, he wanted to go to school.
I don't know if he ever went to school.
Yeah.
And he said back to school.
Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, ito yung tinatawag na
Oo.
alternate break
Uh-oh.
or kada
Not good at all.
dalawang panalo, saka pa lamang magpapalit ng magdi-break, mga kaibigan. Kaya nga nakita natin na si Efren Reyes ang nag-break matapos manalo ng dalawang sunod.
Oh, look at this.
Itong si Alex
Something bad
Pagulayan.
gonna happen? Oh, yeah, it did.
I don't think so.
Do you think he's got the two? Yeah, he's acting like he does. Boy, that would have been a disaster. He made a great shot there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, hit the pocket very clean. Nice speed.
Well, he's going to go to the side pocket with the three, I believe.
Napakaganda na ng kalat ng bola para dito kay Pagulayan.
Yeah, he's going to
Mukhang makakalamang or mauunahan niya
Could he
sa
throw it enough to go
siyam na
4 to
puntos
7?
itong si Reyes.
Could he?
At kung
He did it.
magkakagayon ay
Boy, that's a great little hit. 5, look.
Pure talent.
mahihirapan na si Reyes na makabalik. Kita nyo naman ang
Did he get there?
pocketing
Somewhere along the line, he
at
got tired. and
preparation
said, "Stop this.
nitong si
He's just going to stop the ball."
Pagulayan.
Anyone that doesn't think this is a sport, come on here, try to make
Halatang halata mong hindi padadaig.
He missed the 5.
Pero ayan
Oh
ang
my
nangyari,
God.
mga kaibigan.
First enforced area
Oh,
quite
Medyo
a lot
mahirap
for
yung
him.
ganong klaseng
Going
tirada.
all this way. Now he
Surprised to even play the combination.
Ano kaya ang gagawin
do that. Play
nitong
safe,
si Magic Man
along the
Reyes?
rail, and then go behind the
Magkukombinasyon
9
ba to?
and 10. That's what he's doing.
Nice decision.
Or nagbigay siya ng placing? Malinaw sa aking mga mata na placing ang kanyang binigay dito kay Pagulayan.
What was he looking down? Oh,
He hit rail first.
what's he got going on here?
Ay kung napalakasana ang tirada nitong si Pagulayan, diretso
This has
Sa
all
butas.
the earmarks of a hill
ang
match.
5 bolas.
Oh, you love it because everybody's going to
Balik kay Efren Reyes ang lamesa sa isang malayong tirada.
It ain't very funny.
It's so much more fun than 10-0.
Boy, I'm surprised Alex missed that fly ball. So did Efren.
Kumalog
I'm telling
ang
you, it got
5
to
bolas
Efren there, Mark.
sa butas.
It finally got to Efren. Oh, he's final day with 3-4 matches.
Yeah, no way. It's just too hard.
Alam nyo, minsan,
Wait
yung
for him.
pagkalog ng bola sa butas,
Watch out for the side.
nakakainis sa tumirada.
I don't know.
Pero minsan,
The 10.
Tricky.
The 10?
basta't
As
butas,
long as he can get the cue ball somewhere. where
Maganda
he
rin
can
yung
make 7. That's all they
kumakalog-kalog.
Oh, he was able to inside spin
See
it.
the inside.
Balik tayo sa lamesa, mga kaibigan.
Okay, how do you get
Last
5
4 ball,
balls
itong
now
si
and get in the 8?
Pagulayan,
Can he hit it
tiradang
full enough
7
to miss
sa
the 10?
corner
Spin
pocket
around the 10. Yeah.
at ito ay napaka-easy
This game.
para sa preparation sa 9 ball
Oh, he got
o 8
good
ball.
ones, too.
I mean,
He just wants it to release
pinaikot
from
ang
the
bola,
cushion.
ginamit ang tatlong banda para maging
Well, I
Sigurado.
wonder, would he have recovered if
Sa
Efren
target
would have
ball
ran
na
out? Would he
8
recovered
bolas.
after that missed 5? Never know, will we?
No, we won't.
You know,
But he does have the heart of a lion, so we have to assume that he would have, in some fashion. I don't think he would have just thrown in the towel just because he missed the 5.
oh,
Easy.
getting on the hill.
10 ball
Yeah.
para kay Pagulayan.
Couple hiccups that rack. Aguilan recovers.
Watch this.
I'm unstoppable today.
Grabe talaga, grabe. Ang galing.
Oh, it didn't hit the brake good. Had a lot of spin on there. Really reduced the ball action he normally
Okay. Nag-break si Pagulayan, subalit walang
gets.
pumasok.
Satisfied with that.
Kita nyo ang score, mga kaibigan.
2.
Isa na lang ang kailangan ni Alex Pagulayan upang maipanalo
He's cutting it in.
ang match-up na ito.
No, he isn't. Take that.
Tila yata hindi pumapabor kay Efren Reyes ang mga bola.
No, I think
No?
this shot he left him a hit on the one, and that's why he's disgusted because he knows he's.
Muli
gonna
mga
be kicking
kaibigan,
down.
sa mga nakapanood ng mga laro ni Efren Bata Reyes mula sa upload ni
That's
Mr.
gonna be
F
kicking now.
TV,
This could be his last inning.
huwag niyong kalimutang pindutin ang
He
like
has to kick in front of the side
subscribe
on this shot. On this side, I
para
think.
ma-notify sa mga
So
susunod
he's
na
gonna
upload
hit past the 6 and draw the
ni
kill.
Mr. F.
That's what he's doing.
Low left English.
Lagi kong sinasabi, walang luma pagdating sa bilyar kapag si Efren Reyes ang kumakana sa ibabaw ng lamesa, mga kaibigan.
Sun falling behind the 2.
Yeah. He hit it pretty good too. Look at this shot.
Tingnan mo nga naman, kapag kinakasihan ka ng pagkakataon,
Amazing under the heat of battle. See you later, Efren. Take your last kick.
mabibigyan ka ng kaunting pabor,
He's gonna shoot this
sa
one,
bola.
try to fall on the 3.
mga kaibigan.
He has a
Pinutol
little
na natin
lead.
sa
He
puntong
can get
ito
closer to the
sapagkat
three.
mahabang bakbakan bago maipasok ang dos bolas.
He stayed down.
Ibinigay na natin kaagad kay Efren Reyes
No, he didn't.
upang mapadali, mapaiksi
That was a good shot.
ang
He was
videong
second
ito,
place.
mga kaibigan.
Well, that's the same type of.
Makahabol pa kaya itong si Efren Reyes mula sa score na 9-7. Mukhang puwersahan ang tirada ni Reyes. Tumatalas, ika nga.
Yep, this match is gonna get hairy. Yeah, he's definitely out. He's definitely out here. He's got
Baka
14 to
sakaling si
get on
Reyes
the 6, stop on the
ay
6,
makahabol pa.
7 to go to the 8 with.
Magkaroon ng 8 panalo. Subalit pag sumablay pa, todas na, mga kaibigan.
Well, he'd like to get a full angle on the 7 so he can go forward with some right-hand English. He's got it.
Huling 4 na bola para kay Magic Man.
He's going 2 rails.
Mapapansin nyo sa lamesa, medyo mahina ang banda,
He got perfect.
kaya may puwersa ang bawat tirada ng Reyes. Kung gustong gamitin ang banda, alam yan ng mga professional players.
Yeah, but I imagine he'll get out.
Oh yeah.
Kaya nga si Alex Pagulayan, mga soft ang tirada. Tantyado na ang banda kung gaano kalakas, mga kaibigan.
Play for something.
Tingnan natin kung anong klaseng patakbo ng bola imano ang gagamitin ni Reyes para maipwesto sa harap ng 10 bolas. At ayan na nga, hindi na pinwersa, mga kaibigan. Kahit medyo malayo,
Set for what he's gonna have to
babakbaka na ni Magic
He'll
Man.
have to make the 10.
make the 10. He did. The score is now 9-8. Pagulayan. It's 3.5.
You're going by my word to give him the half.
No, it was probably about right. And anyway, both players have 2 breaking runouts. African sure used another one here. Went back to his favorite spot.
All right. Nag-break si Reyes at pumasok. Napilitang pumasok ang 2 bolas. Kaya't may pag-asa pa.
Well, bounce it back down.
May pag-asa ba? Uy,
Real fast.
yun ang sinasabi ko, mga kaibigan.
Force swing there.
Kumakalog,
Well, he didn't lose.
sabit
Well,
He left
sa labi. Ang kagandahan ay hindi naging lastar kay Pagulayan ang uno bolas at nagpakita na naman
I think
ng
he matched
isang
it.
yeah, he bet the game on that shot.
I think he
bang
got the right
shot
angle to
itong
go
si
also.
Pagulayan
Around it.
na pwede ng dahilan para maipanalo ang match up na ito, mga kaibigan. Ganun pa man, sino man ang manalo sa
So
dalawang
simple.
Pilipinong
Spend
naglalaro,
a lifetime perfecting it if
Yeah,
you want to
people
play like
don't
these guys.
realize
Atin to.
how difficult all this is.
atin to, mga kaibigan.
Efren Reyes.
Bit-bit pa rin yan ang plug kung siya man ang
The winner
magcha-champion
probably
sa
gonna be
torneyong ito.
There's still a lot of play to be done. The winner of this has 2 bullets.
Tingnan mo yang si
That's the one thing.
Pagulayan, halos ayaw gumamit ng banda. Nahihinaan siguro.
Left.
At kapag gumagamit, may puwersa dapat. 6 bolas para sa corner.
That's pretty good speed too.
Sure is.
Kita niyong umusad ang cue ball kapag tumatama sa banda.
Well, he's got
Makikita
tough
natin na medyo makupad,
side of the table.
gumulong ang bola.
I'm trying to be cute.
Kaya kadalasan pwedeng sumabit ang tirada. Last 3 balls
Conservative,
para kay
smart, well executed.
Canadian Pagulayan. Alright. Muli, mga kaibigan, salamat sa inyong panonood. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe para ma-notify sa mga susunod na upload
Later,
ni Mr. F.
he's gonna go 2 rails and we have the 10 and
Last 2
the
balls
10.
para kay Pagulayan.
No problem here, Mark.
Kanya na.
Only a problem if you're F.
Ang labang ito'y muntik pang hindi makarating
Boy, I thought that
sa
was
butas.
I mean, he still had to hit that pretty
Ang
good.
tiradang yon.
And it barely reached the pocket.
This would be match ball here.
Last ball.
Line connects.
Alright. Muli, salamat
Well,
sa
there
inyong
it is.
panonood.
Pagulayan wins this match.
See you next time.
10 games to 8.
Bye-bye.
He's trying not hard to laugh. He's got a